Hey, hello everybody. I'm Kat Kahn from Bay County Public Library with another episode of Upcycled Origami with Kat. Well, this time we are going to be doing bookmarks. And this is the very super basic triangular bookmark, very easy to fold. And this one I love because it makes a heart. But it's actually pretty simple. There are a couple of folds in there, but it's mostly simple. And just to show you, I made some more samples. So this is how, this one was made with 6-inch square paper, and I decided we're going to use 5-inch square paper for the heart one, so it won't be quite as big as this one. Okay. But it still looks nice. If you want to do it with 6-inch square paper because you got big hardcover books, that will be fine. And the triangular one looks just like that. And basically you're just tucking it over like a few pages so it'll stay on. What we're going to do is just use, you can use origami paper, you can use gift wrap paper, you can use just about anything to fold these, okay? So we'll start with the triangle. So you have your 6-inch square of paper, and you're going to fold it in half into a triangle, just like that. And now you're going to fold each of these 2 corners up to the top corner. So here's the first one. And then we have the second one, so it looks just like this. Then we're going to open it back up. So we're going to take this point and fold it down to that little center point that we just made, just like this. And then we're going to fold these 2 back up, like so. Now we're basically going to be tucking these in, but I've learned that it's easier if we just kind of fold these points back down roughly halfway, like so. So all we have to do is reverse the fold, and then you're just going to kind of open up that center part and just kind of tuck these points in like that, okay? And you're done. That's it. So when you're making, like I said, use any kind of colored paper, gift wrap. If you want to match like Christmas wrap with a Christmas book you're giving or you're reading or anything. I've even made them with notebook paper when I didn't have anything else in school. It's just a little bit more interesting than just sticking a piece of paper in between the pages of the book. So for the heart, this time I've used some gift wrap. We are going to be basically making what we call the water bomb base. So you take your paper with the colored side up, and you're going to fold it in half into a rectangle and open it up and rotate it so it's roughly 90 degrees so that you've got your crease perpendicular to you, and fold it again in half so your paper looks like that. And now you're going to turn it so that the white side is up, and you're going to fold it in half into a triangle. And again. And when you just hold on to your ends here and push in, it makes a magic triangle. This is the water bomb base. But instead of doing the water bomb, what you're going to do is you're going to fold this point straight down to the bottom edge so that the point is meeting your crease there. So you're just going to fold it just like that. Okay. Then you're going to open it up. This is slightly tricky. You're going to take this top layer of paper, and you're going to push it up to the point, and then you're going to fold, squash down. Actually, I did it the reverse way. I always do this mixed up. Okay, we're going to squash down so that this part is going to be up. So you've got your point here, like that, and the same thing on the other side. And it doesn't matter how many times I make this, I keep making that same mistake, but it's easily fixed. So you basically have what looks like an upside down house in the middle of your triangle, okay? Now you're going to take this part and you're going to fold it down along that center crease like this. And now you're going to take this edge right here and you're going to fold this up just to that middle crease. So you want your corners over here to be just right at the edge of the triangle. So it's going to look just like that. Now, we're going to do again a little squashing. What we're going to do is stick your finger in to that corner on the end, and then you're going to squash down that paper, and if you do a better job of it than I did this time, it'll make a nice, easy little triangle on the end there. Okay. Do the same thing on this side. So you basically want the center line here to go right along with the crease paper that you see here to keep it straight. So it's going to look like this. Then you're going to take these little corners here and you're going to just fold them up just like that. So you're making a little point there. And it's okay if it's a little bit uneven because no one's really going to see that part, okay? Now, these little points, you just need to fold them back just a little bit, maybe about 1/8 of an inch or so. You just want to fold them down to have it not quite so pointy. And then you're going to fold this whole thing back up like this. And look at that. You've got a heart in the middle of the triangle. And that's actually all you need to do. But what I do to make sure that it kind of holds, you can use some glue or my handy dandy double stick tape. And you just apply the glue or the tape just around right there on that white part, and then fold it back again, and that way it will hold. And now it's ready to be slipped onto some pages, just like I showed you in the books here. Remember, this is all you need to do. And in whatever colors you want to do, pretty gift wrap paper or anything like that, it's a good way to use up some scrap paper to make some really pretty, colorful, fun bookmarks.